Imagine the feeling of calm washing over you as your body releases the tension that's been building up for days, weeks, or even months. Stress is a silent disruptor, often lurking beneath the surface, impacting your health and well-being in ways you might not even realize. But there's a powerful, natural way to help your body find balance again. Cupping Acupuncture. At Chiro and Acupuncture Inc., we combine the ancient wisdom of acupuncture with the soothing relief of cupping therapy. Together, these therapies work to ease the physical and emotional burdens of stress. Acupuncture promotes relaxation by harmonizing the nervous system, while cupping therapy relieves deep-seated muscle tension, encouraging your body to let go of stress. The result is a profound sense of calm and rejuvenation, helping you face life with renewed energy and clarity. Discover how cupping acupuncture can be your pathway to a more balanced, stress-free life. Call Chiro and Acupuncture Inc. today at 817-552-7246 to schedule your appointment and take the first step towards holistic well-being.